Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon Z30 Mirrorless Camera Kit, which includes both a 16 to 50 mm and a 50 to 250 mm lens, is an impressive entry-level option for aspiring photographers and vloggers. This camera stands out with its compact design and robust features, making it perfect for capturing high-quality images and videos on the go. One of the key advantages of the Z30 is its user-friendly interface, which caters to beginners while still offering advanced features for more experienced users. The 20.9 MP APS-C sensor delivers stunning image quality with excellent detail and color reproduction. Low-light performance is commendable, allowing for great shots even in challenging lighting conditions. The included 16 to 50 mm lens is versatile, ideal for landscapes and portraits alike, while the 50 to 250 mm lens extends your reach for wildlife or sports photography. The 16 to 50 mm lens is compact and retractable, making it easy to carry, and the 50 to 250 mm offers impressive zoom capabilities without adding significant weight to your kit. For videographers, the Z30 shines with its 4K video recording capabilities. The camera features a flip-out touchscreen, which is a game-changer for vlogging. This feature allows you to easily frame your shots and ensure you're in focus. Additionally, the microphone input is a welcome inclusion for those looking to enhance audio quality in their videos. The soft case included in the package is a thoughtful touch, providing protection for the camera and lenses during transport. It is durable and lightweight, adding minimal bulk to your kit while ensuring safety. Overall, the Nikon Z30 is an excellent choice for those stepping into the world of mirrorless photography, offering a well-rounded combination of features, portability, and image quality. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or embarking on a creative project, this camera kit is sure to impress and inspire.